Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Krakow, full guide. Start by downloading the official mobile MPK app and checking timetables for trams and buses before you travel. Buy a ticket from a machine, kiosk, or an app, and remember to validate it when boarding. Plan for transfers and allow extra time during rush hours. Keep a small map or offline route saved, and ask drivers or locals if you need quick help. I'll walk you through ticket types, buying, and validating so you ride confidently. Krakow offers short, day, and group tickets that you can buy via mobile MPK, vending machines, or kiosks. Validate paper or SMS tickets right after boarding to avoid fines. Keep your ticket until the end of the trip and carry a payment card or cash for machines. Check transfer rules for multi-ride trips and schedules. Hey, quick recommendation and ad break. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. On another note, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with planning budgets for travel. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab it if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Learn to read route numbers, terminus names, and color-coded maps for faster navigation. Use mobile MPK or Google Maps for step-by-step directions and stop alerts, and plan walking segments between stops. When boarding, confirm direction with the driver or display, and watch for tram priority lanes. Stay aware of night services and limited weekend timetables, and carry a small battery pack for phone navigation during long days and offline maps for backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.